Happy Friday! Today we are going to do our calendar and then we are going to read parts of our book From Seed to Plant, talk about plant life cycle for this month. So first we are going to start with our month identification and days of the week identifications, and we'll count up to today. We have our month is, remember, January, February, March, April, May. It's already almost done. I can hardly believe it. Next, we're going to identify our days of the week. So let's do our days of the week song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Can you find our star? Kind of tricky because it's pretty far. Can you find our star that shows us what today's date is? Our star. Let's count up to our star. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Today is Friday, May 22nd. The year is 2020. So we are going to look through our seed to plant book. Our life cycle, our plant life cycle is for this month. So I recognize that this is our title, Seed to Plant, written by Kristen Baird Ratini. Like Rotini. I'm going to go to my table of contents. I don't want to read the whole book front to back. I want to read parts of the book. So I'm going to find my table of contents. I want to know what is a plant. So I need to go to page 4. On page 4, I see, what is a plant? That's how you know I'm in the right spot. A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. On this page, we have a white water lily and a fern. Ferns are my favorite. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers, others grow fruit. Trees are plants too. We have our tangerine tree and our orchid. So pretty. I'm going to go back to my table of contents because I'm all finished. Next, I want to read about parts of a plant. I need to go to page 8. Page 8, I found it. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Arms are like leaves. Your body is a stem. Feet are like roots. Do you remember the other day when we showed you the flower and I said hairy toes? Those are the roots that go down into the ground like your feet. Your body is the stem. Your arms are the leaves. Maybe we could pretend her head is the flower too. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall. Leaves soak up the sunlight. There's the hairy toes, the roots, the stem, and the leaves. Go back to my table of contents. The next one I want to read is How Does a Plant Begin? Page 10. Page 10. How does a plant begin? Let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. Remember earlier this week? The seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. A new plant is beginning. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil and a stem pushes into the air. So I planted my seed. It turns into seedling. I have my roots coming down into the dirt. I have my stem coming up out of the dirt. And that's where I can find the leaves. And we are all done with this parts of seed to plant. We're going to cover more stuff later in this week. Goodbye.